Hello and welcome to this video on trading motivation. In this video, we'll be discussing some key tips and strategies to help you stay motivated and focused as you embark on your trading journey. Tip number 1, set realistic goals and expectations. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve through trading, and to set realistic goals and expectations. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and will also help you avoid becoming discouraged if you experience setbacks along the way. Tip number 2, surround yourself with positive influences. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can be a great way to stay motivated and on track. Consider joining a trading community or finding a mentor who can offer guidance and support as you navigate the world of trading. Tip number 3, keep a positive mindset. Trading can be a mentally challenging pursuit, and it's important to keep a positive mindset, even in the face of adversity. Focus on your strengths, and don't let setbacks or failures discourage you. Remember, every trader experiences ups and downs, and the key to success is to stay focused and motivated, even in the tough times. Tip number 4, stay informed and continue learning. The world of trading is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay informed and continue learning. Read books, attend webinars, and take online courses to continually improve your trading knowledge and skills. Tip number 5, celebrate your successes. Finally, it's important to take time to celebrate your successes and acknowledge your progress. Whether it's a big win or a small victory, take a moment to reflect on what you've accomplished and give yourself a pat on the back. This will help you stay motivated and continue pushing forward. In conclusion, trading can be a challenging pursuit, but with the right mindset, strategies, and support, you can achieve great success. Remember to set realistic goals, surround yourself with positive influences, keep a positive mindset, stay informed and continue learning, and celebrate your successes along the way. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your trading journey.